Okay guys, so the next one that we're just gonna do circle. So this one won't be long. So anything like I said you have in your house that is round, so I'm just gonna do random thing here. I'm just gonna do get a pencil and just do a circle. I'm just hoping I'm getting it right here. Circle, circle, circle. Do a couple circles. Okay, this one didn't come out that great. I'm just gonna use my bottle here. See, a little bottle, mayonnaise bottle, whatever bottle you have in your house. You take your time and you just do some circles around. Do a couple of circles. So a couple of them as much as you can get on the thing, right? Just take your time. Mine is not perfect here, but take your time. And do the circles around. Okay. Okay, come around here. All right. Again, anything you have in your house that is round. I'm just using a round something. This is some thread, some elastic I have here. Once you could get something in the house to do circles, that's this elastic is in the way. Okay. Let me see if I can put it back again. Okay. And see if I can get it there. Okay, so okay. All right, so I got a bigger one there. So maybe I wouldn't use this one for the other one. Probably, let me see if I get a smaller one here now. All right, so the goal is that anything that is round in your house, just get a couple of circles on one of the, remember 3-piece we cut out, right? So just get some circles on one. Take your time with the circles and just go around nicely. Yay, okay. So I don't think I could get another one here. Yeah, yep, I could get a little one here. So as much circle, if you have something smaller to do the circle, you see with the bigger bottle, it give me a big circle. So if you get a little smaller something, if not, then, you know, the goal is that you just want to get some circles going. Okay. All right, so this. All right, so that would be the other one. Okay. And then the last one we're going to do here now, we'll just do some random points here. So what I want you to do, again, you could just do, try to get a crease, right? Because we're just going to use a simple guide, all right? And we're going to do, down here, just before the end, we come to that guide here. Then we're going to go down, right? And we're going to come back here. We're gonna come here. So we're just kind of doing some zigzag. There's not, you're not doing it perfect. You just want it to have at least a guide and it's straight, right? Yeah. So guide and it's straight. So that's it. And then we'll just do some box. Now the box could be any size, right? Just do. So I'll just do 2 boxes here. That's it. Don't stress about how, if you want to know how long I did the box, I just did what? 4.5 inch by, I'll just go 2.5 inch down, right? 2.5 inch by 4.5 inch by 2.5 inch down. So I just randomly do it and I'll connect. So I'm just gonna, this one is a bit different. So this one I'll go 2.5 inch down too, but this one is a shorter box, right? So this one is what? Let's say this one is about 3.5 inch. Let's put it 3.5 inch. It's a bit less here, but you could just put it 3.5 inch, just as a guide. Right? And then I'll come across here. Make sure that I have my 4.5 inch, I said. Yeah, 4.5 inch. 4.5 inch down. This doesn't have to be a full measurement. Just make a box, because we're just gonna go around with the box. That's it. So I'm not strict with the measurements in this box or anything. The goal is just for you to have a guide. Okay. So whether, I know some of you guys don't have a sewing machine yet, whether you have a sewing machine or not, please just do this. We'll be going over other things as well with the machine. But for those who have a machine or don't have a sewing machine, especially if you're a beginner, definitely do it. And at least once you get your sewing machine, it's easy to just jump in it and yeah. Yeah, just do a square box. Okay, guys, so you would have the box and this here. So just you see, the reason why I just do the line just to get a pick, to come to my pick. That's it. So this, your circles, and then our lines. Okay, so if you have one thing, especially for our beginners, the line, we want to make sure we work on the line. So we'll work on the lines here, right? That's the first thing. And then we'll come back and work on these lines here, and then we'll pivot, work on line, pivot, and then we'll try to do our half circles, right? We'll try, because circles is not easy at times, and then we'll try to do our full circle. We'll try at least a full circle. We'll always come back. We'll try and then we'll come back. Then we'll start to work with some of these and so on and so forth. So that's one sets of thing I want you guys to do before the class. Okay, it would save you a lot of time. To make sure we get enough efficiency for the class, you do this before, so when we come we just get, you know, to the good stuff. Okay guys, thank you.